Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. From play to lay, they've called it a day. Meet 2025's funniest lazy dogs.
You can't just collapse and die because you don't want to do something, buddy. I know, we all wish we could do that, but we can't. Because of society.
Introducing world's most adorable, least effective golf caddy ever.
Connor, it doesn't concern you. Connor, just go back to sleep. Thank you.
The CEO of Tired has entered the meeting. All productivity paused.
Oh no, Olive, not my baby. Oh no. You want to ride? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Proof that lazy dogs always find clever ways to play fetch.
Come on, get up. Come on, up. Sherman, come on, up. Come on, up. Sherman, come on, up. Wait.
Gravity is just another obstacle when you've fully committed to the lazy life.
Oh. What? You've only had like what, 4 naps? Awful tough.
Go for a walk?
This is my face when my boss asks if I can do OT.
No? Wanna go for a walk? Come on. Come on.
I don't think I can make it on the outside, Andy. I've been in here most of my life.
Vamos. Vamos.
No weight compares to a dog that's not ready to end the walk.
No.
Finally, home is where the nap is.
We're going home. Come on. Time to go home. Don't do that. Come on.
Look who has just become a puddle on the floor.
I want to sit down.
The manager on duty is very disappointed with his staff's work ethic. The leash is not for walking, it's for handling this.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Dog.exe has stopped working and is now in standby mode. This isn't a walk, it's a protest. The protest is against walking.
Feeling tired? Yes. Long day of being cute. Oh.
Oops, the owner's trying to start a furry engine that's clearly out of fuel. Peak efficiency. Why waste energy when all necessities are within reach? He's entered the "is this real life or am I a dream" phase of sleepiness.
I woke up this morning and I felt like absolute garbage. For anybody who wants to know what garbage is, it's French for trash.
Shh! Don't tell Dad that Mum is carrying me on the walk. All that running and not a single calorie burned.
And I suppose
No more question because I'm a little mad and I'm tired. Thank you.
Who needs a gym membership when you have a puppy?
Bro, the look back.
Well, help him.
So, I have to take his back legs and push him up.
Even in a dream, he remembers to stay hydrated.
The North American house sloth, also known as the golden marshmallow, is a highly social, food-motivated species found in suburban homes. Unlike its energetic cousins,
Someone's filing a complaint with the PETA in her head.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
This puppy's off switch is the most dramatic thing I've ever seen. pupper has outsourced the entire getting ready process to the human.
Okay. She goes again. Back job.
These pups crash in style. Thanks for watching and see you soon.